Okay friends, today I'm cooking some Guyanese cocoa my way. So this is some coconut milk, some parboiled rice, black eye and red beans, basil, parsley and celery, Guyana thick leaf thyme, onion, pepper, garlic. And I already have my meat frying here. So this is my meat. I'm using pork today to make pork coconut rice. My daughter loves pork coconut rice, so I'm doing this for her today. So I'm gonna go in, throw in my beans. So I'm gonna just put in my rice in now. So I'm gonna go in with my thyme, onion, pepper, garlic, everything. I'm gonna put in some black pepper and some chicken stock. Then I'm gonna give it a turn and leave it to boil. I'll come back and show you the finished product. This is a cucumber from my garden. And I'm gonna use some of this seasoning to season my cucumber. So I'm gonna put in some Guyana fine thyme and basil. I don't have the fresh one, so I'm gonna use a dry fine thyme and basil. And I'm gonna use some frozen green onion. These are from my garden. All the herbs are from my garden. So I'm gonna use some fresh basil that I grew from my garden. Oh, this smells so good. I made some boiled and fried chana. Soft boiled and fried. Ready to take a bite.